YouTube, I just wanted to show you what I do with my solder, actually my solder flux, because it's usually a pain to squirt out of the bottle. I take it and I put it into a, I don't know what kind of syringe this is, but it's the syringe without a needle. I don't know if you can see that. But it's perfect because you can just take a wire and stick it in the end here. This is a bad example, but stick it in the end there, and it will, if the camera isn't going to zoom, it'll get flux on that wire just enough, you know, all you need. Works great. So yeah, next time you're tired of squirting flux out of a little bottle, get a syringe. It lasts forever. You can wash it. You could use it for other things. I don't know, but I think it's a handy way to keep flux. Anyway, figured I'd share that. Alright, thank you. Bye.